mobile battery, and etc. So generally, what we conclude from this is that battery cell can convert chemical energy into different type of energies. If you take in a radio, it can produce or it can form sound energy. In a flash, it can produce light energy. In car battery, it can produce light energy. In laptops, in mobiles, can it produce light energy. This is called the transformation of energy from chemical energy to electrical devices. Students, what will be the second one is the generator. I hope you know that the generator and its functions, because it's found in your locals. What is generator, students? What type of energy transformed? What type of energy is found in a generator? Students, good. Generator, this is a device. This is a device which generates electricity from a mechanical energy. So in a generator, students, there is transformation of energy from mechanical energy to what? Electrical energy. So generally, in a generator, there is transformation of mechanical energy into electrical energy. Very in your mind, students. So from mechanical energy to electrical energy can be converted in a generators. The last one is, students. So, for example, if you take in addition, there are different hydraulic power stations in our country. In addition to generators, there is different type of hydroelectric powers or hydroelectric power station in our country. For example, Takaze hydroelectric power stations, Abai, the third one is Koga, and also Gilgal Gibe, and Fincha, etc. Are the hydroelectric power stations that can give or that can generate electricity. So, for example, if you take Takaze, the Takaze waters release or generates hydroelectrics. These all are which are found in our country. They can release or they can generate energy or electrical energy in our countries. So, Takaze, Abai, Koga, Gilgal, Fincha, and others also can generate energy for us. So this is called hydroelectric power stations. Good. Students, I hope you are following me that now. Just I am going to finish. Just the third third source of energy is sun by itself. As I told you last time, sun the sun is the main source of energy in the form of solar energy. So the energy from the sun we say that is called the solar energy. So we can get mainly the energy from the cells. From cells. The second one is what we mean by the electrical current. By the experience generally, you can get the energy first from the battery cell, then from the generator. You can also get the energy from the cells. So the sun is the main source of energy, which can deliver to us in the form of solar energy. Look, the another one is electrical currents. What is electrical current? What is electricity? And what is current? So, what is electrical current? So, it is flowing of electrons inside the electrical conducting materials. Look, electric current is that it is flowing of electrons inside electrical conducting materials. What are the materials that can conduct electricity? Can you mention them, students? Good. Students, it is flowing of electrons inside the electrical conducting materials. The materials that conduct electricity are, the first one is, look, zinc. Zinc can conduct electricity. The second one is copper. The third one is aluminium. Each can conduct electricity. So, students, different type of metals can conduct electricity for us. Different type of metals can conduct electricity for us. So, zinc, copper, aluminiums can conduct electricity for us. The students, materials can depend on tendency of electrical conductivity or based on the electrical conductivity, based on the tendency of electrical conductivity, materials can be divided into two. The first one is conductor materials. The second one is insulators. Students, what are conductor? What are insulators? What are conductors and what are insulators? Tell your answer to your parents. What are the conductor materials? What materials conduct electricity? What are the insulators? Good. Conductor are the material that allow electric current through them. Mean that electric conductors or conductor materials they allow electric conductivity through them. They allow electric conductivity through them, like copper, zinc, and aluminum can allow electric conductivity or electric flowing or electric currents flowing through them. The last one is insulator. Insulator to the vice versa, they cannot allow electric movement through it. Examples, if you take wood, tree, papers, plastics, they are called insulators, or they cannot allow electricity to pass, or they are tendency to pass or to transform electricity through it. Thank you very much, students. I hope you have a good concept regarding of these subtopics. I hope you have got full of information regarding of electricity and the source of electricity. In 2 minutes, let me summarize today's topic lesson, starting from a source of electricity. Students, there are different sources of electricity. You can get electricity from different sources, like from the battery cells, from generators, from the cells. As I told you, first, battery cells is the source of energy which contains chemical energy by itself. So this chemical energy which is found in battery cells can be converted into light energy, for example, in a flash, and sound energy into radio, and in different, for example, in car battery, laptops, and mobile battery. They are from the battery cells, which contains first chemical energy. So look, when you take the generator changes mechanical energy into electrical energy. You say that mechanical energy change into electrical energy. The third one is the sun. The sun is the main source of energy, which is reach to us in the form of solar energy. We say also electric currents. Electric current is the flowing of electrons inside the electrical conductivity materials based on the tendency of the conducting materials. We can classify into two. The first one is the conductor. The second one is the insulators. We say that the conductor are the materials that can allow the movement of electrons inside of it, like zinc, copper, and aluminum. Lastly, we say that insulator to the vice versa, it cannot allow the movement of electrons inside of it, like plastic and woods and different type of materials. So students, I hope you have got a full information. If you have any questions, just will read back of the video and you will ask your parents. Until the next time, goodbye students. Thank you very much.
Asquala ልጆን በቤቶ የሚያስተምሩበት አማራጭ ፊልም። አዳዲስ ፊልሞቻችን እንዲደርሱ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ የቻናላችን ቤተሰብ ይሁኑ። ፊልሞቹን ሼር በማድረግ ለወዳጅ ዘመዶ ያጋሩ። አስኳላ አማራጭ የማስተማሪያ ዘዴ